addiction. Drug addiction among teenagers often begins as an innocent search to fit in or deal with stress. The reality of a teenager trapped in drug abuse typically involves isolation, dropping of grades, changing of friends, secret behaviors, and shifting their focus from their future to just getting high. It wasn't because I didn't care, or because I wanted to make poor choices. I was carrying pain that no one else could see. Behind my smile was loneliness, stress, family struggles, bullying, and the feeling that I didn't belong. I wasn't looking for a high. I was just looking for a way to just stop hurting. What I really needed was someone to listen, someone to care, and someone to remind me that I wasn't alone. What happened after I made that first choice? It started with curiosity. I wanted to fit in. I wanted to escape my problems. But that one choice became something much harder to walk away from. And before I knew it, addiction had taken hold, turning my pain into a battle I never expected to fight. A struggle I still face till now.
Pulega Ituau Malosi misalnya tuan sama jadi telepon. Oh Maya, yoi, ya, Pulega Ituau Malosi misalnya Ituau Pulega Ituau Malosi misalnya Ituau Pulega Ituau Malosi lende kosau, ekadia o ina lende balao, masukana le ambawa tukula matalago, alaska ni sila staria Amerika. Oh my, there is no tattoo. Oh my, there is no tattoo. Tukula matalago, le temi motato, desere ele filisa tani tia ko, file ya chukuru fala avasa ina. Ona ole kupe fata mala kutanata, kofita tusaulu sukana tuago. Tonight, my tattoo. Tonight, my tattoo. Tonight, my tattoo. Pulega Ituau Malosi misalnya Pulega Ituau Malosi misalnya Pulega.
What did addiction do to me? It didn't just hurt me. It hurt the people who loved me. I started hiding the truth, pulling away from my family. My mom constantly cries. My dad became disappointed. My sibling relationship crumbled. I lost my friends. And I found myself making choices I never thought I would make. Addiction slowly stole my dreams, my relationships, and stole the future I once hoped for.
Aisa pale malu wana, ma toto bolu ma watu Pulega ya.
overdose, broken families, leaving school behind, legal trouble, and even losing your life. It's a path that changes more than just one person. It changes everyone who loves them. Was that the end of my story? No. Recovery is possible. Although we do not have rehab centers for drug addiction on island, I found support with the love of my family, my FAAEVAGELIA, my church family, my teachers, my counselors, my friends, and my faith in God. Healing became possible. My story didn't end with addiction, and neither does yours. To Pulega, I am important. You are important too. If you're hurting, don't carry it alone. And if someone trusts you with their pain, be the one who listens. Be their reason to hope for a change. Be their safe space. All God, never us. Never us, all God.
se te patipati mai mo le whamoemoe whaaftaitele te pena e le mamalu o le Pulega Ituau mo le whamoemoe o tupulanga le nei fiafi.